Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. Yet another opportunity right in front of you. Another video which will help you to get a small business grant of up to $15,000. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this grant of $15,000 step by step. But remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $8,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. And you know that there's an ongoing series of small business grants on Credit Viral channel. So in order to watch the whole series as well as the video which will allow you to get a $8,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload those videos for you. And you already know that we deserve a like from you on this video, so please, if you want to support us, do like this video because it helps the channel grow. Thank you so much. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. So welcome, this is the 6th video in the season, or you can say in the series of small business grants on Credit Viral channel. Yes, right in front of you, now it's an opportunity for Virginia. Yes, a lot of people actually requested me to come up with a small business grant for Virginia, and it's right in front of you. Yes, so I'm going to tell you step by step how you can apply for this small business grant of $15,000 with some perks of it, as well as that what are the things you need to do where you don't have to pay it back. And what I mean by pay it back, you don't have to pay a single penny back, because you know that the other words grant means free money. So you have to use it wisely and you have to apply it wisely as well. So let's do it. And the first thing that you need to do, I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. All you need to do is to click on the link, but before clicking on it, please watch the video till the end, because I'm going to tell you the tiniest detail that you need to know in order to apply for this grant, because this is really important. And please bear with me till the end of this video. When you open this website, you need to scroll down, right, and you need to see that right here they say to be eligible for phase 2 back business grant, a business must. So now we are going to talk about the eligibility criteria. Yes, they are already done with phase 1. Now they're going towards phase 2, and phase 2 has already been started. So please don't miss this opportunity and apply for it as soon as possible after watching this video. And the secret is there's only 2 days left. Yes, you heard it right. So the first thing and the first criteria to get this small business grant is that you have to be a for-profit business. Yes, you cannot do it for non-profit. If you are for-profit in the market, then you are good to go. And your business has to be located in Bedford County, and your employees should not exceed 100 employees. So you can have the employees between 1 to 100, and the employees has to be full time. So remember that if you are the only employee in your business, you can apply for this grant. If you have 100 employees, you can still apply for this grant. But if you have more than 100, then you cannot apply for this. So remember this. The second one, that you have to be in the business for a minimum of a year prior to pandemic. So what it means that you have to be operative before pandemic for at least a year. So if you've been operative prior to the pandemic for at least a year, then you are good to go. Now the third one is that your revenue should be between $3 million to $20 million. Well, this is crazy. Means it's just not for small businesses, it's for huge businesses as well. So yes, if you have a revenue between 3 to 20 million in 2019, you can apply for this grant, right? And believe me, this is crazy. This is one of the wildest requirement I've ever seen for any grant, right? So it means that pretty much anyone can get it in Bedford County. And the reason that they have done this, and this is really important to know, because they do have the funds and not a lot of people are applying for it, so they need to get rid of the funds as soon as possible. So you have the opportunity, and it's 99% odds that you can get this funds, so do it as soon as possible. Now the other one that have a 20% or more loss in the revenue as a result of pandemic. Remember, right, you can always show it, right? I don't know, because like, if I'm also in the business though, and 20% is just the normal thing every month, and I'm pretty sure that if you're running a business, it has to be impacted by pandemic more than 20%, and if it doesn't, then probably your employees or someone is suffering from it, so you have actually helped them and you know what you need to do. So I'm not going to go into the detail right here. So remember, what do you need to do if you have a 20% or more loss in revenue as a result of pandemic? Then you can apply for it. And the fifth one is really important. If you have received any CARES Act funds such as PPP loan, EIDL, or any other grant, you have to disclose it to them, because what they're going to do, they'll be asking you that, hey, those funds were not enough for you, so now this is more money for you, you can get it and you can use it. So be wise, and of course be clever, you can do it, right? And it's really easy. These are basic eligibility requirements, and believe me, anyone can do that. But right here, there are a couple of things that I want to tell you, that what are the things you can use this grant for. Employee compensation, of course, the first thing, including wages and benefits, working capital, equipment inventory, rent or mortgage. You can always do that. Remember that 20% of more loss. I'm not gonna get into the detail, you are wise enough, right? And the last one is other business critical operating expenses such as utilities and insurance and protective equipment. So if you feel like that you need the money for any of those things, you can always apply for this grant. Now let's go and click on apply now and see what we have for us right there. So as soon as you click apply now, this page will open, right? And it will tell you exactly how much you can get it with the number of employees. For example, with the phase 2, if you have up to 25 employees, you can get $7,000. If you have 26 to 50 employees, you can get $10,000. And if you have between 51 to 100 employees, you can get $15,000. And it's a small business grant, means free money, so you don't have to pay it back. Remember, right? I already told each and everything right there, so I'm not going to repeat it because I don't want to stretch this video a lot, right? Now all you need to do, you need to click right here on apply now. So I'm going to do that, and I clicked on it, and now I have this form right in front of me. I'm not gonna go into the detail with every field, but all you need to do to summarize is company name, your company address, your company number, and I always urge everyone to actually put their own number in the company phone, because if they want to contact you, the call will directly come to you, right? Your company website, if you don't have any, don't worry about it. Your business type, entity, your full name, your position or title, of course your own mobile number and stuff, so you can do that, right? So this is a long form, right? So take your time by filling it, and fill it with honesty, because you don't want to lie in it. Believe me, this is really important, and it is attached to your career and your business. So remember this, don't ever put any sort of false information right there. If you're unsure about something, do your research and then put that information on this form. Well, remember that right after this video, I'm going to upload 9 more small business grant videos back to back, and as well as I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $8,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch all of those videos, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload those videos for you. And please like this video to support the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.